cable me behind me and work me up to the end along there. Please. Not getting. Not only that, in danger of electricity, but.
Test,
Test.
test.
Test. And, well, I suppose it's a G5 RV. No, it's a 4-stop.